Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Die with no regrets, live with every breath. See my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams. Then you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one.
What's up, guys? This is our live morning weather briefing. I'm going to be covering what's going to happen over the whole day. And yeah, let's go ahead and switch over to the main screen. Yeah, here we go. Let's I am in a new location now. Same place, but like different location of the room. So that way I don't have so much light shining on me from the. I have windows from where my old spot was, but let's go ahead and begin with what's happening across the country right now. Hold on, let me fix one thing. Okay. Now I'm going back over here. All right. So let's begin with what's happening across the country right now. We have some rain in Arkansas. There's a Metasco discussion for heavy rainfall. Just mainly north of Little Rock into Russellville, Fort Smith, Mulberry, Jonesboro areas like that have a thing. Over 100 people, like 100 fatalities, has occurred in the flooding from Texas. Trying to fix my mic. All right. Then we got some rain just to the east of Charleston, kind of south of Myrtle Beach. I don't think that's gonna hit y'all though. It's gonna be very rare for it to actually impact y'all. Got some rain in Iowa near Waterloo, Cedar Rapids, Dubuque, something like that. Freeport, Rockford, Elgin, areas like that are just getting some light to moderate rain. Let's go ahead and look at our outlooks for today. If we look at our categorical outlook, hold up. We've got a pretty big slight risk ranging from parts of Virginia up into New Jersey. I know somebody who's going to get some storms today. He likes to watch my streams, apparently. But yeah, that'll bring some heavy thunderstorms, heavy rain showers, nothing too crazy. We'll look at the timing of that later on in this stream. Then we've got another marginal risk ranging all the way up into Massachusetts, which could bring from South Carolina all the way into Massachusetts, which could bring some moderate thunderstorms, heavy rain showers. Nothing too crazy. And then we've got a massive marginal risk ranging all the way up from basically Rapid City, South Dakota, all the way down through Santa Fe, Texas, and through Pine Bluff, Arkansas, up through Clarksville, Tennessee, Owensboro, Kentucky, St. Louis, Illinois, Kansas City, up through Nebraska and Rapid City, South Dakota, like I said earlier. This is a massive marginal risk, which could bring a potential for some possible moderate thunderstorms, heavy rain showers. And then the all this light green everywhere else in the United States. I'm not going to draw it pretty good because I'm just trying to hurry up and do this. But this could bring a potential for some light thunderstorms, light to moderate rain showers, heavy at sometimes, but nothing too crazy. All around the United States, basically. Utah and Nevada is probably not going to get anything today. But yeah. And California is not going to get anything. But pretty much every other state is going to get a little bit of rain. Actually, every other state. Every single state except for Utah, Nevada, and California are going to get some sort of light thunderstorms and rain showers today. There's not really a chance for tornadoes today. There's not really a potential that I go live today. I mean, it's possible if these thunderstorms get real heavy over here, and they get stronger than what they were. But yeah, let's go ahead and look at our wind outlook. There's a potential for up to 65 mile per hour winds, and that slight risk over there, but 15% wind risk. This is out of 60. So yeah, There's a potential for like 65 mile per hour winds in that. Then the brown right here could bring up to 30 to 40, as well as the brown over here. I know that's not a good circle. I'll finish that for y'all. But yeah, um, there's also a potential for some golf ball sized hail, ranging all the way from like areas of Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas Panhandle, through Rapid City, even into Ekalaka, Montana, which could bring a severe threat for some possible golf ball sized hail in the brown that I just circled. Oh, I just took away the circle. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at what could happen tomorrow. Tomorrow, we have a potential for some severe weather, nothing too crazy, ranging all the way basically from Massachusetts all the way down to southern parts of Georgia, um, and even into northern parts of Florida around Jacksonville, just north of Jacksonville. There's another marginal risk right here, ranging all the way from minute, something like that, North Dakota, all the way down to Nebraska, and even into some parts of Kansas, which could bring a potential for some moderate thunderstorms, heavy rain showers, as well as the one over here. And then the light green everywhere else in the United States, which is basically covering the whole entire U.S., could bring a potential for some just light thunderstorms, moderate rain shower, except for Washington, is going to get crazy. It's real close to Washington, though. Let's look at our tornado outlook for tomorrow. Yeah, there's not a chance for tornadoes tomorrow yet. There's a potential for some possible 30 to 40 mile per hour winds. It could get up to 50 at some times in both of these brown areas that are circled. And a potential for some possible golf ball sized hail ranging from North Dakota all the way down into northern parts of Kansas. If we go ahead and take a look at a probabilistic for the day 3, hold on, I think we can actually look at that from here. Yeah, there's another slight risk right here for some severe weather, heavy rain showers, heavy thunderstorms, and yeah, and that area that I circled. But now I'm circling a marginal risk, which is ranging from Minnesota, North Dakota, all the way down into Amarillo or Lubbock. Good morning, Pete. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry I saw that so late. I wasn't looking at my chat. And yeah, there's going to be another marginal risk over here for some potential for some severe weather on let's see, what's today? Today's Tuesday. Friday, I believe. There's potential for some storms right here. It's our day 3 outlook, so it's 3 days from now. There's potential for some moderate thunderstorms, heavy rain showers over there. And then the light green everywhere else in the United States could bring just some light thunderstorms, moderate to heavy rain showers at some times. But yeah, which is this. But yeah, severe weather. It looks like we already have a little bit of severe weather. Just heavy rain showers currently in the Carolinas, and still in Texas. Texas is still getting hit by some rain, but looks like some storms or some heavy rain showers start to fire up around in the early afternoon hours in Oklahoma and Kansas, and moving on to later tonight in the evening. There's still some storms going to be in Nebraska, but yeah, apparently all we can go into is probably like 6 a.m. or something, 6 or 7 a.m. in tomorrow. But yeah, the timing for this for today looks like going to be the storms that fire up in the Carolinas are going to be probably around, honestly, probably within the next hmm, 2 hours, 3 hours or so. Um, they'll be at their peak strength probably in 4 hours or so. Um, then later on today, probably in about 6 hours from now, right here we have a big threat for some heavy rain showers and severe weather potential. Jacksonville is getting some light rain showers. Then we'll have some heavy rain showers moving into Destin, Florida, and areas like that. But yeah, that's basically all we're going to be talking about for this live stream. Go ahead and take a look at the storms right now. Like I said, some storms in Harrison and Arkansas, Louisiana, Panama Cities, but like just north of Panama City is getting some light rain showers. Then Williston and heading towards McClintosh or something like that. I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah. It's basically all we're going to be talking about for today. I'm about to send y'all onto the outro. And hold up, let me do one thing real quick. Then we'll go into the outro. I'm going to try to end the stream at exactly 20 minutes. As you can tell, I'm kind of in a new location from where I was yesterday. If Pete's still watching this, he can probably tell. Maybe. Okay, my bad. I didn't mean to play that. But yeah. So fun to watch these streams on replay after I'm done. So yeah. I'm probably gonna try to end the stream at the 20-minute exact. We're about to go on to like a minute and 30 seconds outro. But Pete, thanks for tuning in. And moderating the chat, sorta. You don't really have anybody to moderate, but in 10 seconds we're going on to the outro. And I will see y'all in the next stream. There's not a potential for me to go live today though.
Don't involve money that I don't accept. Don't involve money that I don't accept.
Alright, this is Cruz Haynes signing off here. As always, stay safe, and thanks Pete for moderating the chat. You don't really have much to moderate, but thanks for tuning in.